discuss the click decision problem from NP complete problems in the theory of computation. Then first, what is click? Click means any subgraph or subpart of the graph. So first is the definition of the click. An undirected graph, a click is a complete subgraph of a given graph. The complete subgraph means all the vertex of this subgraph is connected to all other vertex of this subgraph. That means all the part of the graph, all the vertex are connected to each other. Then what is the maximum click? A click of the largest possible size in a given graph is known as the maximum click. That means all the part in which all the vertex are connected to each other. What is a maximal click? A click that cannot be extended by including one or more adjacent vertex. Now we have to prove 3C8 that reduced to click. 3C8 reduced to click means from using 3C8 problem we can prove that this click is NP complete. And where we use click problem? Now the click used in the vertex cover problem, so we reduce the click problem into vertex cover problem. We can study in the next lectures. So here we are studying about the click problem. So this is the example of this. Take a look at the following graph. Here the subgraph containing the vertex 2, 3, 4 and 6 that form a complete subgraph. Hence this subgraph is a click. That means in this graph number of 6 nodes are present. And what is the subgraph? We can see this 2, 3, 4, 6. This is a subgraph in which all vertex are connected to each other. This is known as the click. As this is a maximum complete subgraph of providing graph, it's a 4 click. That means there are number of 4 nodes are connected to each other. We can make number of subgraph are present. We choose the maximum number of click or maximum number of vertex are connected to each other. This concept of click. Now next is the reduction step. How we reduce this? So as we already studied about the circuit set problem, 3CNF set problem, we are studied in the previous lectures. So in this lecture we are studying about the click problem. So first we already proved this is NP complete, this set is also NP complete, 3CNF set is also NP complete. Now we prove this click is NP complete. For this we have to reduce this problem into 3CNF set problem, because this is NP complete by using this and this concept. Then by default this is also NP complete problem. This is the concept of reducibility. Next, the theorem is prove that the click is NP complete problem. For proving NP complete, first we prove the set is in the NP and all the problem this in the NP reduced to the set problem. That is reduction means this is NP hard. For the step 1, prove that this click problem is in the class NP. For this set there are number of possible graph are possible, like 2 to the power n possibility of the element of the vertex. So an algorithm need to check whether any one of 3 subgraph form a click or not, because why we can say this is 3, because we are choosing the 3CNF SAT problem. It has worst case time complexity, that is the order of 2 to the power n for the given graph, and if we have a certificate that telling that the subset of the vertex form a click, then we can easily verify in the polynomial time. So click is the NP complete problem, or we can say this is in the NP class. For the second, that proof the click is NP hard, for this we have to reduce the problem. So in this we know that the problem is NP hard if every problem is in NP that can be reduced to this problem in the polynomial time. All the NP problem that reduced to SAT and SAT reduced to 3CNF SAT problem, then if we can reduce 3CNF SAT problem to click in the polynomial time, then we can say that this click is NP hard. As we already discussed in the hierarchy, first we prove set is NP complete, next we prove 3CNF SAT, and this is related to click. So we can directly link to each other. If one problem is solved in polynomial time or one problem is reduced, so another problem is also reduced. So all the problems are reduced to SAT. That means सभी को हम SAT से link कर रहे हैं. Then we can say that the click is NP hard, so this is NP complete. For proving the NP complete problem, we perform two steps for this. First, we prove this is in NP. Second, we prove this is NP hard. For the NP problem, we have a certificate, or we can say we have a verifiable certificate to proving that this solution is optimal solution in the polynomial time, or we have the value of the variables, or we have the value for the vertex that can perform the task in the polynomial time. We have a valid proof for this, then we can say is in the NP. And for the NP hard problem, we can reduce the problem into the another problem that is already NP complete, then we can say that this is in the NP complete problem. So this is the two conditions for proving the click problem is NP complete problem. So a click is an undirected graph G that is equals to V comma E. V is the vertex, E is the edge, is a set of vertex S that is a subset, or we can say this is a subgraph of V in which all the edges exist. U and V, these are the edges, belongs to A. A click of the size N must have all and choose two number of edges are present, so number of vertex are present. Task: find the maximal set S that is form the click. So this is the click problem. A click is an undirected graph in which a set of vertex are present, set of edges are present. A click of the size N must have all the edges. The task: to find the maximal set that we can form this graph. In this picture, there are two clicks are shown in the size of 3 and size of 4. We can see this is the size 3 and this is the size 4. But the maximum click of the size 4, as no click of the size 5 is exist, means more than 4 there is a no click is present. But what click is best in which all the nodes are connected to each other? In the 4 and 5, this is a maximal click for the 4 types, because this is a more than 3. So click is hard to solve. We don't know any efficient algorithm to search for the click. Next, this is again the next problem, how we can reduce this. There are the number of nodes are present. We assign the value like x1, x2, x3. Number of operations are present, so we have assigned number of classes for this. For the class C1, as we see in this figure, in this class C1, x1 union not x2 not x3, number of variables are not more than 3. For C2, for C3, we choose the value of x1, x2 and x3. If we have some verifiable value for this and we get the value 1 or true value in the polynomial time, then we can say that this is the NP problem. So we can reduce this step in the polynomial time. A satisfiable assignment, that is a click of the size k, that is a satisfiable assignment in the polynomial time, then we can easily say that the 3-set problem that reduced to the click problem. This is about the click. What is click? How we can reduce this problem? How can we prove this is NP complete? By proving that NP and NP hard. This is about the click problem in the NP.